Are you looking for legit stay-at-home jobs? In this video, I'm going to show you the best legit stay-at-home jobs that are perfect for moms or anyone who only wants to work part-time. These jobs will pay up to $45 per hour and you can work as little or as often as you want. So, watch the video all through, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. The best way to make money is by doing something that you love. Some people are lucky enough to find an occupation that they are passionate about. If you're struggling to find a job, there are many online opportunities that can help you earn some extra cash. The following are some of the legitimate stay-at-home jobs that will provide you with a variety of options for making a living at home. You will notice that the pay ranges up to $45 an hour, and these jobs can be done remotely. 1. Proofreader and Editor. Proofreaders and editors are in high demand. Proofreading and editing is a skill that is needed by a lot of industries and companies. Proofreaders and editors check for errors in writing, grammar, punctuation, spelling, or style. They review content for consistency in meaning, tone, and accuracy. They may also check for compliance with copyright or other legal restrictions. According to Indeed, proofreaders can make an average of $22.54 per hour. 2. Online teacher. Teaching online is a great job for stay-at-home moms, retirees, or people who are looking for a career change. One of the best things about teaching online is that you can set your own hours. You can also take breaks anytime you want during the day to take care of errands or to spend time with your family. According to Glassdoor, online teachers can make an average of $45 per hour. 3. Customer support. Customer support is one of the most in-demand jobs at the moment. This is because customer service jobs are increasing at a significant rate. There are many ways to get started with customer service jobs from working remotely. For stay-at-home moms who are looking for a way to make some extra cash, customer service jobs are a great option. According to Indeed, customer support representatives can make an average of $16 per hour. 4. Data entry. Data entry clerks can work at home and they do not need any special skills. The only requirement is that they have a computer, internet access, and basic typing skills. All you need to do is type in the information provided on the screen and you are done. According to Indeed, data entry clerks can make an average of $17.48 per hour. 5. Bookkeeper. The bookkeeper is responsible for the financial records of the company. They are in charge of keeping track of money coming into and going out of the company and making sure that everything balances. They also maintain a record of all transactions and prepare reports on a regular basis. The bookkeeping department is usually located within a business, but some small businesses may have an external bookkeeper who works from home. According to Indeed, bookkeepers can make an average of $20.49 per hour. 6. Transcriber. The transcriber's job is to take the recording of a person speaking and convert it to written form. A transcriptionist can work in many different fields, such as legal, medical, business, and entertainment. Transcriptionists often work in their own homes or in small offices with other transcriptionists. Transcriptionists usually work from audio files that have been recorded by someone else. The audio file is played back on a computer or other device and then typed into a document by the transcriptionist. According to Indeed, transcriptionists can make an average of $19.10 per hour. 7. Social media manager. The social media manager is a profession that has appeared in the last decade. It is a person who manages an organization's social media accounts. The job involves creating and publishing content on the company's social media accounts, responding to comments and posts from followers, analyzing data from various platforms, and organizing the content so that it reaches the maximum number of people. According to Indeed, social media manager can make an average of $21.14 per hour. 8. Graphic designer. Graphic designers are in high demand, which is why there are many legitimate opportunities for stay-at-home jobs. This is because graphic designers have an important role in every aspect of marketing and advertising, from logos to packaging and product designs to websites. They are often the creators behind any visual representation of a company's identity or message that we see today. According to Indeed, a graphic designer can make an average of $20.18 per hour. 9. Translator. There are many opportunities for talented individuals who have a knack for languages to translate content from one language to another. The demand for translators is so high that it has created an opportunity for those who want to work from home. According to Indeed, translators can make an average of $20.52 per hour. 10. Freelance writer. Freelance writing is a great way to make money from home. It's also a great way to get started as a writer without the commitment of giving up your day job. Freelance writers can write for any number of clients, from magazines and newspapers to corporations and nonprofits. They can work on their own schedule and they have the freedom to pursue other projects in addition to their freelance work. According to Indeed, freelance writers can make an average of $22.17 per hour. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, and it will be great if you leave a comment saying, "I like it." Check the description box for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.